It's like I'm about to pop any minute. Look at that stuff. I'm about to pop any minute.
Is vacation white, Mama?
No.
It's vacation.
No. It's the weekend.
It's the weekend. So tomorrow is holiday, right, Mama?
No, tomorrow is another weekend day. We have 2 days of the weekend. Saturday and Sunday. Today is Saturday. So tomorrow is
Sunday.
right. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's early morning here for us and we are up and getting the kitchen a little bit in place before we do what?
Do porridge.
Right, we're gonna do porridge this morning for breakfast. We're gonna do porridge. So Tyler is packing out the utensils from the dishwasher and I'm going to pack out the dishes so that we can get on with our porridge. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. Oh, bless you. Make sure you guys stay smiling throughout the rest of today and enjoy the rest of today's vlog, whatever it is that we'll be showing you guys along the day. Baby's still in bed, but yeah, we have a little few things to do around here, so we're gonna get that done and I'll catch you guys in a bit.
Don't turn off the face.
I'm not turning it off. Oh, go take it off. So we're gonna throw some cornmeal.
Okay.
In here. Like this. Alright. Let's cover this back. Then we're gonna throw a little water on it. Not this one, this one. Take this one. Come on. Okay, leave that now. We need milk. Okay. Yeah, because enough not in the bottle. Throw this in the pot here. Put this down. Here, take the bottle. Take the bottle from Mama. Throw it in the pot. All of it. Right. This one, throw all of it in the pot. Right. Good job. We need some coconut milk.
story time baby the fly.
Right. Not all of it we're gonna throw. Come, take it, throw it. Alright. Good job. We'll put the rest in here.
Ah! Exactly.
Now we're gonna throw some salt. Look, like that. We're gonna throw a little vanilla in there, like that. Now we're gonna put all our spices in, like that. Now we're gonna put this one, and now we're gonna throw this in there. Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Go. Yay. It's on your finger. Our homemade porridge is on its way, on its way. Comment down below and let me know what you guys making for breakfast this morning, whatever time of the day or whichever day that you guys watching this. Tell me so I can drool from all my Jamaicans from saying Patty, okay?
Mama, don't talk slowly to me.
Don't talk slowly to face.
No.
Why not? Alright, our porridge is cooking now, so we can listen to some music until our porridge is cooking. Okay, what music you want to hear?
Is a Blippi by police car.
Alexa, play Police Car by Blippi.
The Police Car song by Blippi on Amazon Music.
Car. Oh. Taki in the song.
Non, c'est papa, il a dit apple and on this half la français. Comme
Look at my sweet boys. Who's so sweet? You want to wear hat like Papa? He saw Papa with his hat and said, Mama, I want to wear hat too. Oh, the twinning. I need a picture on my phone. You guys, we are heading out on this beautiful Saturday. The weather is so good. But I want KFC. So we're heading to KFC. KFC. With my handsome boys. Look how sweet they are.
V, bravo!
They are so handsome. Time. Tell us what you're eating. Yung popcorn, chicken and fries. And me and babe having chicken wings.
Papa.
That's okay. Go slide. Wow! Good job. We're in the toy store. his favorite place to visit. Y'all just in my face. Zoom out, zoom out. There we go. And this programmer is taking a rest. I'm sitting, I'm tired. Because his stomach, look at me. Jeez. Hi, you gone again? Hi. Go, slide. 1, 2, 10. Yay. You don't want to climb the big one? Go climb the big one. Yes. Go. You can do it. Whoa. Tyler, slide down. Come fast. Come. No more. Finish now. Finish now. Come. Tyler loves seeing these little things and we pay for him to go in them to ride. Drive, baby, drive. Oh, the animals in there making sound. Elephant time. Press the elephant.
Hello, I'm the elephant.
What does the shovel say at the end? There's a shovel at the end. Whoa! Anyone you want to press? You guys, I look sleepy. That's because I'm tired. We got back off the road and I came straight to lay down because I feel like I want to rest. So I'm doing that. I'm actually going to plug my massage machine in and get a good massage right now, because the more I sit up, the harder it gets, because my doctor confirms with me and told me that baby girl is sitting really low, and she said that's going to make me super uncomfortable. And trust me, I am feeling it, because she sits so low down. Every time I sit, it's like I can't sit up for more than like an hour. I have to lay down to get at ease and put pillows between my legs. But yeah, we're home and Tella is off the bed, and I am going to get a massage and go to bed, because I'm going to try and go to church in the morning. But she's here as active as can be. I'm going to see if I can catch her on camera for you guys, so you guys can see her bouncing and jumping around. You guys see my stomach moving? Make sure you guys can see it properly. Tella just saw her moving and couldn't stop laughing. Look at my stomach bouncing. You can see that? Hope you guys seen it as clear as I'm seeing it. That's how active she is. She's ready. It's like I'm about to pop any minute. Look at that stuff. I'm about to pop any minute. Anyway guys, we hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Though it wasn't much, we took you guys along. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with us on this beautiful journey called life. We love you guys. Yeah, subscribe if you're new, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if you see baby girl jumping in my stomach, and we will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog.